Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I rise to oppose the introduction of the bill to amend the Sikh Industrial Companies Special Provisions Act 1985 stop. I thought that this subject, Sikh industries, came within the jurisdiction of the industry ministry stop. I do not know why the finance minister is moving this bill stop. It is probably a part of the package of surrender that the finance minister alone is in charge of the entire process of surrender stop. A good man image is being solid permanently stopped. Not only that the economic independence of the country is lost, but in the process we are losing the name of another good person. Stop. I know that his reputation is at stake. Stop. Once he has chosen his company Pregap change. We oppose this bill on a matter of fundamental principle. Stop. The Sikh Industrial Companies Special Provisions Act, which was enacted, was intended to remedy the situations that were developing because of the loot and plunder by the private industrialist of different industrial unit and establishment, a victim of which was apart from the nation, the workforce change. Although the industrial policy resolution of 1956 provided that the public sector will have the commanding highest of our economy for several years, now conscious attempts have been made to public sector to see that the public sector get into difficulties. I can give name of many public concerns and companies where there have been no managing direction for years together, where no attempt was made to carry out necessary modernization and replace the obsolete machinery, and where the funds are not injected as a result of this. Many public sector undertakings got into difficulties. Stop. That is why we have always been saying that the government of India should take this up. Stop. What is wanting is a political will change, a charge that there has been conscious attempt on the part of the Congress government to create a situation where public sector undertakings cannot function properly and people will lose the faith in the public sector so that they can expose the cause of their friends. Stop. The monopolies of this country and the private businessmen, industrialist, and that is what is happening now. Stop. The object is create a bleak picture about the functioning of the public sector so that the private sector can come back and the public sector can be given a burial change. We have now been told that the entire ills of this country are because of some public sector unit system. There a paper has been circulated and I find that only 98 companies out of 300 and odd in the